Onpow Push Button Manufacture Company Limited, established in 1988, is a manufacturing enterprise which is specialized in independent research, development, production, and sales of push-button switches. Onpow have always been guided by customer needs, upholding high-quality guidelines and doing best to provide solutions for customers. The company's products cover button switches, metal buttons, capacitive switches, piezo switches, access control switches, buzzers, signal lights, indicator lights, band switches, dip switches, warning lights, etc. It integrates a complete system of product development, mold processing, spare parts manufacturing, automated production, testing and inspection, sales and reception, etc. The products are used in a wide range of fields, including mechanical equipment, automation equipment, machine tool equipment, electricians, marine machinery, mining equipment, elevator control, medical equipment, access control systems, rail transportation, industrial lighting, and other industries. Cultivating in the industry for more than 30 years, the Onpow brand becomes an influential brand in the China industry. The company's button sales have an absolute market share in the domestic switch market and are always the first choice for domestic high-end users, and sold well overseas, such as Europe and the United States. Company has agent in Italy, South Korea, and other countries. It maintains steady growth every year. Onpow always believed that the root of prosperity is quality, which has firmly controlled from the incoming inspection to the final production inspection. Company has multiple experimental testing equipment and has obtained ISO 9001 Management System certification. Products passed CCC, CE, VDE, UL, and other certifications. A meticulous quality control system to ensure that the quality of each part can meet customers' requirement before leaving factory. Besides, the company's excellent R&D team guarantees that they can develop 1 to 2 series of products every year to meet market progress and new needs. The company has obtained more than 60 patents and more than 3,000 molds for production, more than 200 large-scale automation equipment and product processing equipment, including injection molding machines, CNC lathes, automatic machines, pulse machines, and slow-wire walking machine, etc. Laser engraving machines and laser cutter, which can meet customers' customization needs. The company has more than 40 series of products and related accessories so far. The daily output can reach tens of thousands of products. And the first-class accessory processing and storage capabilities can satisfy the customer's order needs in a short time. Take the customer first and keep improving as the quality policy. Take the effort to innovate and continue to create the greatest value for the customer as the mission. Take the people as the spirit of cooperation and enterprising as the company spirit, and build the best push-button switch brand in China as the vision. Integrity, innovation, absorption, collaboration can bring company to the bright future.
Onpow metal signal lamp. Waterproof level is IP67. The installation dimensions are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 19, 22, and 25 millimeters. The shell material can be nickel-plated brass, black-plated brass, and stainless steel. Connection types are pin, screw, and wire leading. LED can be made dual color or tricolor illuminated. Head shape with a hemispherical head or flat head. Other head shape or installation size can be customized. GQ indicator is applied to small appliance, measuring apparatus, medical facility, vehicle, and so on. Onpow Piezo Switch Series. Diameter 12, 16, 19, 22 mm. Electrical function 1NO/1NC/latching. Illuminated ring type. Thin, large. Terminal. Wire lead 30 cm. Operating temperature -40 degrees Celsius to above 75 degrees Celsius. Protective degree IP68, IP69K. Touch switch series. Capacitive switch. Diameter 16, 19, 22, 25 mm. Crust material stainless steel. Electrical function momentary. Latching delay 30 seconds. Can be triggered even wearing medical rubber glove. Onpow LAS1-A series. Diameter 16, 22 mm. Frame color black/silver. Front shape round/square/rectangle. Operation type momentary. Latching. Contact structure 1NO1NC/2NO2NC. Protective degree IP65, IP40. Emergency stop switch. Customized push button switch. Key lock switch. Selector switch. Push button switch. The symbols can be made dual color illuminated, and other lightning characters and symbols can be customized. Onpow 26 series. Onpow 26 series with 22 mm installation dimension. Waterproof level is IP65. This series include indicator, push button, mushroom push button, emergency stop switch, key switch, and selector switch. The switch adopts independent chip structure with smaller